Accidentally pressed.
Tabihan mo na, Ibya, wala kang magagawa. Hindi ka tabihan. Okay, tatlo na lang. Ayan, Nanog! Wow!
Jake!
Ayun, tumingin ka. O, Ibya.
I think he get diaper.
For sure.
Hindi yan, madali na yan. Nilas pa ko yan.
Ay, patulog ko.
Tissue.
Hindi naman. Hindi naman obvious.
Everyone gets a tissue.
Yung ano ko eh.
Hindi naman obvious.
Si Daddy Boy.
Oh, Adelia, what did you wrap?
Daddy boy. Ano si Daddy boy? Daddy boy.
What did you wrap, Adelia?
Sa to.
What's under the cardboard?
Ana, kuhanin mo na kayo. Ay, kinuha nila. Patay.
He got diaper. Open the present!
Ito.
Tita John, open the present. Is it diapers?
Diaper yan, diaper.
Oy.
Ate, take the picture.
Malapot eh. Malapot.
Hindi ka
Daddy
picture.
boy, saan na po? Daddy boy. Tulungan ito ni.
Halatang diaper yun.
Yan yung regalo mo. Ano bubuksan niya?
One, two, three. Para magpanta nyo.
Mali! Go down.
Is that your brother? That your brother?
One, two, three.
He look like you for a little. 50%. Daddy. 30% you look like you.
Daddy.
That's it.
No, I want to know what's inside Adelia.
Aba.
Oh, what's your daddy? What's yours?
Ang liit!
May pang kay James lang. Ate Chur. One, two, three. Sure, nabunot mo, normal. Loading pa!
Sino ba nabunod?
Bebe. Lola Bebe.
Si Nanay Bebe na lang. Wala. Malinis.
Lele, baby.
Alam ko si Tati.
Bakit pares lang?
Who's Lizzie? Lola Susan. Hello, Lola Susan. Why are you frozen?
Tuloy na muna din eh.
Excited pa yan.
Ah.
Nabubura tila, hindi iyak mo ang tatay.
Gunting, gunting.
Gunteng.
Hindi.
Ay, meron pang sobrang kulang. Baka pwedeng mapagkaibiganan ng Hoy, kasama ko din kasi yung
Oh, next.
ayun na.
Secret lang yan.
O, Ruben.
Sobra sa 300 yan, ha?
Ruben.
Nada, ako yata yung napakita ko talaga.
For you.
Ay, hindi pala.
Yeah.
Open it, daddy. Daddy.
There will be 4.
Shut up, daddy. Open it. Open it.
No, it's all for you.
Ruben, bukas mo.
Yeah, this way.
Chest piece.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, it's for you.
Hey, that's the one I told you to get. That's the one I told you to get. Wait.
Go.
That Lola's gift. Oh, does that mean it's remote control? There is. Oh, not fair, but whatever.
Ruben, sino na bunot mo?
Oh, don't tell me it has wheels.
Has no wheels.
Atilian.
Masama.
Wala.
Showbox!
Yan ang matagdag bukasan. Hindi mo na alam para matagdag.
Hanapin mo pa sa bukasan.
Got a showbox?
Sumangit nga.
Wow, showbox.
Saan mo na? How did this become mine? This is yours.
That's the one he requested.
I requested whatever they took for me, for you. Whatever they took for mommy, for you.
That's not fair, Daddy. You never get it. We're gonna make him something so beautiful. We're gonna punch him in the Dude, seriously, Daddy, you could have got something he wanted. Now we feel bad. Feel bad, man. Oh, man. No, give that to him instead. Oh, man. Seriously. Yeah, this is kind of sad for Daddy. That means he don't got no souvenir when he comes back.
Oh, I requested for you and
Daddy, why? And what? You got no souvenir?
next.
Daddy, you got no souvenir and we already got our own
Tora,
exchange gift.
Tora.
Ew, Daddy, you smell like beer.
No, I didn't think that's good.
You smell like beer.
Really? How come?
Your breath.
Magugulo kasi ano eh.
Yeah, Tita John, why Daddy say if he get gift, it becomes to us?
Nako. Ayos sa'yo.
Yeah, look, he got a helicopter. It's awkwardly unfair. I feel bad for Daddy. He got no gift.
Wala ba?
Ano? Where's Jack? I'm gonna make him stupid Jack.
Nangangit ba? Ay,
Where's Andre?
bad.
Kanina pa akala lechon ako.
He's the one. She's the lechon.
Lechon di leche.
Yeah, double. Double size.
Hindi nakita ko. Doon. Picture. Wow. Sa'yo na bunot mo nga ito. Kuya Arvin.
Kekok. Kekok.
Tama pala si Chong doon. Safe naman pala.
Tita John, what did Jake get?
Na yun eh.
Ano, diaper.
I knew it. I want to know what's inside Ate Leon's gift already. What did she wrap?
Alin ba kay Ate Lia?
There, that flat big thing. It was cardboard. But the inside...
Hindi kaya yun.
Oh, what is
Alam ko
it?
lang kanina.
Oh, what is it? I want to know what's inside. Ate Leon. Ate Leon. When's your gift? I want to know.
Hotdog yun. Sino? Hotdog.
Kasama itong ketchup.
Tonton.
Ano si Kuya Tonton?
Nabasahin ko sino. Ay, hotdog.
Ichim pa na.
Oi, Ton. You're so fat. Thank you. Oh, Martina? Where's Jake? Hey, Jake, come on, join the fun. Punch people in the face. Throw rocks at them. When is Ate Leon? Because I want to know that gift. Look over there. She won't tell me. She will not tell me what's inside. It's obviously clothes though.
Higa ka rin talaga silang ng bali. Higa ka talaga silang ng bali ngayon, no?
Hindi ko magsama ng araw.
Ano ba yan?
Eh, hindi natin inom.
Daddy Soton.
Ito ba yan?
Ayaw mo.
Ayaw.
No, it's for you.
Why you don't want your own gift?
Hindi ko alam eh.
Yeah, well, why you don't want your own gift, Daddy?
No, 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 no.
Why? Why, Daddy? Why?
Because they will know that I will go home.
Gusto na kinali na lang. Nay!
Sino na?
Lola Bebe? Lola. Again with Lola Bebe.
Sino na rin?
Walang good na, walang good eh.
Wedding ring. Oh, definitely not.
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Okay.
Tata Mama.
Sinali, meron na. Naputol. Desa ako muna.
Oh.
Naputol. Kasi si tatay mo yung tangan. Kasi yung ano eh. Ede. Kuya, ako namiling kulay niya.
I want to sleep.
Sure. Hindi, kulay orange yan.
Magaling na lang nila mga
Yan, orange.
diba? Para maka-sleep. Kasi syempre, banding mo.
Bonding, but after that, I like forget after. Like when I sit down in bed. It's true, Tita John. It's true.
Ako na, pati ko nagbubukas.
Ano yun?
Si Mat Mat daw. Mat. Mat Mat.
Oo nga. Sina bunot ni Mama.
Kasi same age.
Sino po mo?
Chang! Wow, ang Chang, nasaan ka na?
Tsaka, ayun na si Chang.
Ah, your gift, your gift.
Dali na. Finish.
Wow.
Ay, Jollibee pa.
Ayaw pala! Ayaw pala ng Jollibee!
She's crying. She don't like Jollibee. Wow, she don't like Jollibee.
Ay, tata.
Oh, what is it? Get out of my way, Jess. I want to see.
That's a Barbie, isn't it?
It's a book. It's a piano. She already got the piano. One day she'll break
Wow,
that. Piano. Wow. Wow. It's so much more than Jollibee. Oh, open.
Gusto Lord Pink. Paano kayo mag-picture? Hilahin mo kasi. Picture mo tayo. Sige, picture mo na kami mga ta.
Ayun, Ashley.
Dala, saan?
Tingin lang na tuloy niya.
Eh ano? Gusto mo, matuloy nga kasi.
Watching sad.
Wala yata battery ate Hana na ilagay.
Yan. Rice cooker?
I guess they're food.
Oo. Masan ka ba?
Did someone got you already?
Nasa na yung sports car mo?
Oh, where's your sports car?
Nasa na yung sports car mo na hiningi?
We'll give him a toy car.
Smile.
1, 2, 3.
We should have bought a toy car. We should have bought a toy car.
Sabay na yung magbukasan.
Parehas kayo?
Magkabutan silang dalawa. Ano yan?
Tahi yan.
Ikaw siya ata sa daddy.
Meron ng buwan.
Now tell him about the sports car.
Nasa yung sports car mo?
Again. Wait, after this. Tell him.
Saan yung sports car mo?
No, call him.
Sandaan eh. Sabi mo, 100 lang nilagay.
Yun, ito ako bumili ng regalo na yun eh. Hindi naman na yun.
Oh, what is it? 50? Oh, wait, tell him now.
Saan yung sports car mo?
Si Paul.
Again.
Naku, ikaw lang pinakamalaki
Nako, Diyos ko, paano ka?
He's over there. Go ask him.
Laki.
Oh, finally! What is it? Ate Lian, what is it?
1, 2, 3.
What is it?
Hindi maganda, oh, gago ka ba?
Nakilaan.
What is it?
Ano ba yan?
Cardboard. Seriously though, what is it? I want to know.
Masyado hirap ko kanina.
Ano ba yan?
Eh, Ate Lian,
Ano yan?
what is it? This is just cardboard.
Ano yan?
Ano yan?
What is it?
Ano yan?
Badminton? That's it.
Yun.
Badminton. Ate Lian.
Sino? Be, ikaw, wala na bunot. Be. Ikaw na bunot.
Dito niya. Dito
Ikaw na bunot.
Ate Lian, it was a badminton.
Eh, sabi mo tool eh. Maybe a tool.
Hinuhulaan niya sino magkapatid niya kaya hindi nila nahulaan.
Eh, sabi mo a tool daw eh. Maybe a tool. Maybe a tool. You should have said number 2.
Dito raw.
Oh, open that.
Ano?
This is for...
1, 2, 3.
Maybe... This is for ate.
Kasi!
Sino na? Sama
It's a
ka.
bunch of markers. The one you buy, remember?
But you got more colors.
Yay, more colors. Ones that are probably dried.
You share with James, okay?
He has his own. Yay, I got a bunch of colors. I never got a chance to open it.
Nakuha.
Ate, picture.
Smile.
Kuya. Then.
Pare-pares.
I wanted to open it, Mommy. I'm dead.
1, 2, 3. Gin yan, Papsi.
Seriously.
O, ikaw, sinabunot mo.
Sino na ba Papsi?
Yeah, definitely a holder.
Hindi ko alam. Ako nag-send nito.
Calderian. Calderian.
Yeah, definitely.
1, 2, 3.
Definitely. Open it! What is that?
Calderian to.
What is that? In a Shopee wrapping.
Anong papaya?
Kalabang kumpanya kasi nagdilipat kaya tinanggal ko.
Calderian.
Yeah, what is it?
Caldero.
Yeah, I know.
Not caldero.
Kaldero daw.
Kawali.
Bye.
Lutuan.
Kawali.
Eh, caldero na.
Ano? Naputol na.
Oh, hello, Jay.
Saiban.
Sabi ko na nga.
Saiban.
Bakit yung kaya
Saiban.
Lola Susan, look at this. Look at this. I already have one.
Ayan, kita mo na yung naman.
Yeah, I already have one. Yay, collection. Who gave you this?
Ako nagbalot niya.
Oh, yeah. But I did not open it. I wanted to open. Daddy, I wanted to open this. I wanted to open the wrapper. Look. Wow. Oh. Wow. Hello, Princess Andre. Princess.
Talaga ka na talaga.
Hello, Princess. Daddy, why'd you unwrap the paper? I wanted to wrap it.
Sino? Sino na?
Oh, Lola Susan.
Wala ka taga malayo.
Sino si Kaya?
Kailan? Si Iya pala, ate.
Roman.
Lola Susan.
Who did I?
Lola Susan.
Yung nandun sa labas.
Doon sa labas na iwan. Ikaw ba yun?
Picturean ko na lang kayo. Mamaya na lang sa iya. Okay. Sige yan na. Sige yan na.
Take one of your Lola. Lola Ira.
I don't know.
Lola
Sa
Ira.
susunod, pag nabunot nyo yung kapamilya nyo, ibalik nyo. Tulad din siya sa salitan kaysa kasi Andre.
Lola Ira.
Who's Lola Ira?
There, that's Lola. Yeah, give it to her. You're the one. Meron na. Ate. Si Diching Ira. Ayun.
Smile! Nakalabas yung ipin!
Nakapustiso pala, kaya pala magandangit eh. Open mo na ba?
Okay na ba lahat?
May butiki. Hindi pa, si James pa.
Hi, James!
Wala.
Ito na sa akin!
Ayun pala.
Parang alam ko yan. Parang si Ate Lian din ang ano niyan. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Open mo na.
Ah, si JC. James. James, give mo muna kay JC. Buksan mo ha. Buksan mo ha.
Ayun, si JC, ayun.
Buksan mo ha. Ayan, bigay mo sa kanya. Buksan mo ha.
Picture ko na kayong dalawa. James.
Dad.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Buksan mo, buksan mo. Sulit yan.
Because the one I have is some.
Sulit yan. Ah. Ala, hindi na. Hindi na kabin.
Sino si kay JC? Hi, bye!
Kasya yan eh. Matangkad eh.
Wala, okay na lahat namin na.
Sino na bonat? Kompleto na ba? Kompleto na daw. Walang nag-agree eh.
Sige, palangin na.
Matagal pala exchange gift. Ayun oh.